Today I want to refactor my demo to use the new Translator API so that I can translate a text from a source language to the target language. I started the application, but the compiler reported many errors, so my demo cannot run on my Chrome Canary browser. So the next step is to fix the code so that I can run the application again. My experience tells me to delete the provided translation API is because I cannot use the injection token to inject a translator object. Similarly, I cannot use the AI language detection API token, injection token, to inject a language detector object. So let me delete the providers folder. Okay, and then in app.config, remove the provide translation API. So these two constants are redundant. I need to find out where they are used so that I can fix the problems one by one. Oh God. Language detection service, translation service, AI detection TS. Okay. So, okay. Let's start from the easiest to the hardest. So fixing AI detection is the easiest task at this moment. So let me. And I shouldn't determine the availability of the API based on the browser type and the browser version. It is possible that the translation API is available in other browsers such as Firefox in the future. So this check is not valid. So let me delete this if checking, and let me delete the check that determines the version of the Chrome browser. So okay. Check Chrome built-in AI. These two injects need to go. And if not AI in global disk doesn't work on my Chrome Canary browser, it should be if translator not in self, throw an error. And then if language detector not in self, throw another error. Like the language detector API is not enabled, please check your configuration in Chrome flag language detection API. Okay. Validate language detector and validate language translator. Okay. The compiler complains because language detection and translation do not exist. This one. I don't know how to fix the validate language translator function. It's because I cannot determine whether or not the source language and the target language are available at this moment. It's too early. I need the user to provide the inputs to me before I can make a decision. So I need to think of a solution to fix this. So validate language detector function. This one I think I can solve it. Like language detector availability await, and then assign the result to availability. Right. So if availability equals unavailable, let me think. Then the language detection API, let me think, doesn't have the right model. Let's see. Language detector API. Yeah, this one. Please check the. It's okay. Okay, this one. If availability equals unavailable, the language detector doesn't have the model to detect the language of the source. If availability is available, all good. It's all good. If availability is downloadable, I can create a new language detector, and the language detector automatically downloads the model. Downloading means the model will be available after the download progress reaches 100%. So okay, this is nice. Detector. Okay, availability. I cannot do the tracking to determine the availability of the translator API at this moment, so I delete the function. Let's rename this function. Yeah. I don't want to mention Chrome. It's because this app should perform the check on other browser types in the future. So get the language detector API availability. Let me see. Availability. Okay. So omit unavailable. And then in here, try catch. So if the get language detector API availability function doesn't throw an error, the error message should be an empty string. So let me use the map RxJS operator to return an empty string. Catch error. Instance. Oh, this translation API supported. I need to rename this because I only check the language detector API, but not the translator API. Fine. Oh. Okay. Good demo. Looks good. What is this? Let me see. Let me fix the language detection service. Where is it called? Okay. Okay. The type is language detector, not AI language detector. And the inject should be removed. No code API. What is this? Wait. Are you kidding? There are two error codes in Nilam. No good. Language. Oh yeah. Let me no API. Let me fix the error messages. Okay. Man. Okay. No one used this enum. Why is it not translated? I don't know. The translator is not created. Something like that. Okay, so many errors. This one detect. Let me fix it one by one. So here's like no translation API. Okay. Same as before. I mean, I cannot determine whether or not the translator is available until the source language and the target language are known. So let me delete this detector. Detect query. So if no detector, throw an error. So, and then use the detect method to detect the language of the text. If no result, return undefined. Okay. Choose the first language. The confidence is at least 0.6. Okay. Confidence is optional. Okay, fine. How am I going to do this? Okay, maybe result, confidence, and or maybe type of not equals undefined. So the confidence is not undefined, and the confidence is at least mean confidence. Okay. If high confidence result exists, return it. Otherwise, use the first one in the result. Okay. This one, let me think. This is a little dangerous because no, it's fine. Yeah, because this check ensures the result array has at least one element of. Okay, so now what happened here? Detected language is optional. Okay, so change the type from string or null to string or undefined. Okay, that's it. Okay, is this called anyway? Oh, this should be private, right? And okay, create detector. So where's this one called? In a component. Okay. Detector. This is if there is a detector, then I do nothing. If not, this is. I need to call the availability method of the language detector class to determine the availability. I think I have it here, right? In here. Okay. I can move it here. I can reuse this validate language detector. Okay. Wait. Calls availability. Okay. Input. So if okay. Now I need to go back to the explainer of the language detector API to copy the code that creates a language detector. Okay, where is it? You see this? Create translation. Where is it? available. Not dot create, I want. Yeah, but screen translation. I think I found it in another place here. Model download. Yeah, here. Available. Give me a sec. This is no good. Detector. I know what to do. Okay. I want to use the availability to create, to help me like decide when to create a monitor callback and when not to. So, okay. Okay. Availability. If availability is available, then undefined. Otherwise, create a monitor callback function for me. Okay. And the callback function. Oh, wait a second. This is. What's the type of this? Create monitor. Okay. Create monitor. And even listener. Okay. Downloaded the language detector. Maybe language detector. Download the percentage. This one. Monitor. So here. I don't need the LAN. Okay. New detector. Wait. Signal is this dot. Do I have an abort signal? Oh, I didn't create an abort controller. Oh, that's not good. Yeah, controller. Okay. What else can I create? Okay. Expected input language. I want it to be detect English, Spanish, Taiwanese, Chinese, Portuguese, and German. Okay, simple for Chinese. Fine. Okay, so like this. Scope. Okay, I don't need this one. I'm sorry. Cons. So this is a language detector. I create a detector and I set the detector signal to the new language detector. Okay. Sure. So I don't see any error in the language detection surface. I want to rename it to language detector surface. Okay.